Hello people, this is Ben here. This is just a quick impromptu video about keeping yourself motivated during these difficult times that we see ourselves in. I'm just going to show you what I earned yesterday with the sole aim of helping you realize what your hard work in KDP will materialize to. So without further ado, let's go into book reports. So as you can see, yesterday I made just short of $158, which is absolutely fantastic for me. And as you can see in the settings, this is in United States dollars as well. So I'm really happy with this result. If I give you a quick looking breakdown as to what I earned, you see this book here, this top one is a coloring book. The next one here is a high content book I made myself. This one is an activity book, and this one is also an activity book. And these books all belong to a crazy niche. So that was pretty much my day. I think a couple of these books were backlog, and that's why I got more sales than normal. If I show you what this month looks like, it's looking very strong. Again, I'm showing you these figures as motivation for yourself, to show you where your hard work will lead up. And yeah, look at that. We're earning roughly $100 a day. Today is the 14th of May, so that's fantastic. We did that with 1,507 books. We had a high, which was yesterday, and I think our low must have been $65. So it's not been a bad month for me. And today we're on $75. So again, very great. Very varied circle there as well. But yeah, keep yourself motivated. Keep doing what you're doing. Put in hard work. Keep finding those niches. Don't give up. If you're thinking about giving up, do not give up, especially now where you've got all this time at home to really get ahead on KDP. Honestly, it will pay off and you'll be rewarded financially for all your effort at some point. Maybe not now, maybe not tomorrow, but in the long term, you will be. So I promise you that. Keep working hard. If you want to know everything that I know, go join the Residual Academy course. It's all in the link in the descriptions below. And if you need help with anything, you're more than welcome to join my community of self-publishers where we aim to help each other. So make sure you're in my Facebook group. It's KDP Publishing Success with Ben Chinnock. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. I hope this has been a bit of motivation for you. Keep on working hard and stay safe this pandemic. Happy publishing, everyone. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.